I am just gonna have a little quick snack at Homer, one of my favorite places in town. And then I might get changed for tonight's event, so that should be fun. I will show you what I'm drinking though, because it is like a trending drink that you're gonna love. Okay, talk to you soon. Having a quick little snack break by myself. I actually have to write an article this week that I have not started, so I'm brainstorming some ideas for what I'm gonna write. And yeah, this is what I'm having. I am having this really delicious. I had it at the Palmer movie night the other week. It is so good. It's their chicken liver parfait with this beautiful bread right there. I'm so into it. But also, the star of this is this drink. Can you guess what I'm drinking? I'll give you a hint. It is very trendy right now. It is on TikTok as an audio, and everyone is really into it. It is a Negroni Spagliato with Prosecco on it. Or did they say with Prosecco on top? I'm not sure. But anyway, that's the drink. They're doing it here at the moment. I love it so much. It's like, I don't know if you're supposed to mix it. Are you? Maybe. But we're just gonna give that a go. See? It's so pretty. Hopefully it's good. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, but like, how pretty is this? This is one of my favorite spots in the city. Like, I need some quiet time today to just chill and write and get inspired and spend some time with myself. So I'm doing it here. Such a nice spot. Also, it's a Tuesday, so it's quiet and there's not many people here, which gives me time to concentrate. Okay, bye. Cheers. We're in the bus. I'm with Masha. We kind of figured out, well, the direction of where we're going, but we're not sure. So they still haven't told us. We're like halfway, we're half an hour into it. Yeah. So very exciting. The sun is coming out again. So sun update for everyone. And basically, okay, so no sun update. Wait, I'll show you. It's a blue sky. White. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It's blue. I'm like, wait, is my panning okay?
I think your panning's perfect.
It's slow. So it's bluish sky in one corner. And the bus isn't full. But also, I think I'm the only one in a seatbelt. I'm such a nerd. But that's fine. Ice cream. Okay. We're rural now. This is cool. I'm in the toilet at the Roche Posay event, and I literally just did my makeup here. Got my entire makeup bag. Love that for us. Yay. So I know I have this really beautiful office space, but some of my best writing, and actually probably like the place I feel most comfortable with when I write or when I have like pieces to do, is still my bed. Like, what just did there? Yeah, this is the place where things get done. This is my procrastination bed. Also, I don't know, like I like writing at night. So I like to be comfy when I write, and usually at night, comfort, you just think of the bed. So yes, I am doing the article I've been talking about in my stories. If you're not following me yet, I'm at JSolina on Instagram. And I've just been talking about this story, this article I've had due, like 1,200 words. So it's quite a lengthy piece, but yeah, it's due tomorrow. I'm just about to work on it. I might be here all night. We will see. I might update you, unless I'm in the flow. Okay, that's my quick little update. It's still Thursday here. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. Well, how my dad's gonna edit this. So I probably will just like do a timestamp or just tell you what day it is, because it's a weekly vlog.